So these.
Life could be a dream if I could take.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to be doing
Soaps. I'm making our own soaps.
so yeah, they're like
Take a
hand
pack.
hand soaps.
Handmade soap.
Wash your hands.
Feel it.
So yeah,
We have
this
our
is the
essentials.
package we got.
Yeah, but we
That's how they use it all. So yeah,
So this is the color I'm picking.
and I'm picking a green color. It's really cute. So yeah, and with the box, it comes a little handbook. So yeah,
So I think we're gonna make. I think we're just gonna make it like that. Maybe add some
like whatever we find in the book. So yeah,
So let's see. We have that one.
so these are the stuff that you could put in your soap, so you can make it like really good and stuff like that. So,
So we
yeah.
have our things. We have a spoon, a plastic spoon, and a cup.
So it has to be something that doesn't melt, like a plastic, like something that's like plastic,
Like this.
that could like really good in.
Okay,
So-
so we got series.
We're gonna make, so these are like the smaller soaps because that's why it's so small. There was one that was like clear one and then also a white
We
one.
could add our own color to it.
Yeah, but we got the little one, so. There's like different ones in the book that you can make with different stuff. I think we're gonna make those because those are the ones that are like with this color. So yeah, maybe we're gonna make those. But it's like really like more
Yeah, and then here are the ones that we
the molds.
the molds.
So yeah, we're gonna do this seashell one.
So yeah,
So yeah, it's really cute, and we have, and this color is like a really
Get the
seashell
mold
color, and
out.
she also got like a really cute pink one.
there's a purple one.
Yay! Then we'll just put together.
Yeah, we're gonna do that one next time. Maybe. Oh, the green one should be our leaves. We should do a flower and then a leaf.
No, we're doing the shells.
Okay, we're doing the shells.
So these are the ones that we're making again. So first, the first instructions we're going to do is place the cube of soap base in a glass measuring cup or one of these and microwave on high for 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay,
So you're gonna open it, you know. So yeah,
look at how
they look really cute. They look like jelly though. Like,
but it's not eatable, so
But yeah.
kids do not eat this.
oh yeah, it's soap.
Yeah, but you can't eat it.
So yeah, we're gonna put this on high for 20 seconds. So we'll come right
So
back.
we're back, and this is how, so you gotta keep mixing it, because if you don't keep mixing it, overheated mine, like for 5 seconds, and I get so you gotta keep mixing it, because if you don't keep mixing it, it's gonna get like really hard. So this is how, mine looks like, I don't know, and then mine's gonna stick. So yeah, you gotta keep mixing it so it doesn't get hardened, because mine's getting hardened, so you have to mix it. So until it just melts. Give the soap base a stir and continue to heat for 10 seconds in intervals. Until it completely melts, and take care to not overheat. So yeah, so we're gonna come back and put this back in the microwave for 10 more seconds. So yeah.
So after we put it in the microwave, you gotta just keep stirring it. So yeah, and if it gets like really gooey, it's okay because that's how it's starting to harden, which is a good thing. But at the same time, not. So
So
yeah.
let's find the mold. Get the mold.
So now it says carefully remove the measuring cup and place it on the counter. Make sure you have your other ingredients and prepare your molds from ready as the soap base will start to harden as soon as you remove it from the microwave.
Mine is starting to
Stir the
harden.
So we're gonna add like so you could add salt. So we're gonna put, they said Epsom salt, but we're going to put regular salt. Food coloring and blending to the soap base. If your soap hardens before you're ready to pour in the mold, reheat in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. Pour the soap carefully in the mold, let cool at room temperature for 45 minutes. You can also place in the mold in the freezer to speed up the process. Once cool, gently press on the back of the mold to release the soaps. So yeah.
As you can see, mine's stuck.
So yeah, mine stuck too because it's like we're not like.
This feels like Starburst. You know when you like. Have you ever done like when you bit in it and then you take it out of your mouth and then you like play with it?
No.
I've
so
done that
right now
before.
we're gonna add salt. So
And then
because it's like
that's how it is.
beachy. So you know.
Okay. Can we put it in the microwave?
Yeah, you could put it in the microwave after. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave again because it's getting really hardened. Because it's
That's the
starting to
last time, and then we're gonna put it in the mold right here.
So yeah, let's go.
But we only have one more of these.
So we gotta wait. Oh well. So we're gonna go put it in the microwave right now.
You know what? I'm gonna do my flour.
So we had like a difficulty with the you know, being hardened too much, but we have already put in the
Oh, I'm still working on that part.
the stuff in the mold. So this is how mine looks like. Looks weird though, but it kind of looks like a seashell though. You can see that. So yeah,
I'm still working on mine.
yeah.
Yeah.
But hers actually kind of looks like a flower though. It looks cute. So yeah, while we have these in the microwave, in the freezer, we're going to be doing the purple one.
Yeah, well, we have that one. See, it looks like a flower now.
Okay, so these are our seashells.
Huh?
Sure.
I don't have a seashell.
Flower.
Flower.
Okay, that's it.
We heard that fall.
So yeah.
We are done with these. We're gonna put this in the freezer.
So we're going to show you guys one more time before it goes in the mother load of freezer. So these are our.
These are in the back.
Mine looks like boogers.
Mine looks like pretty good. I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, it's already hardened.
Yeah. So we're going to put these in the freezer, so we'll come back. So these are the soaps we just took out of the freezer. Mine is like a seashell.
Mine is a flower.
So we're going to take it out. Oh my god! This is how the seashell looks like.
Mine looks like.
So here, and it looks like a seashell. It's a really cute color of green.
Mine is a cute color because look, it's a flower. It's so cute.
Yeah, but we forgot to put like some at the end. That's why it looks like really big in the top.
That really looks like a seashell. Have you ever found a seashell that like isn't filled?
So yeah, we're gonna make a purple one because we have one more left over.
We should have made the green one, and then we could have made a stem for the green.
So yeah, so we're going to make some boxes for the soaps. So we pre-made them.
Yeah, for me.
I'm gonna. We already folded it, and now we just have to put the soap inside of the box. So like.
So how was the instructions? Like put one like that.
So the instructions are to put the
Behind it and then put three behind.
fold up the sides and bottom, tucking the
Put
two
four
tops all
behind
the
it.
way.
Okay, I got it. I made it.
Okay, so I just had to put the heart because mine's supposed to be like a heart one.
Mine's like this.
So I have to put like the heart.
It's like a cover. It's
right
like the
there.
flower I made, but prettier and not that ugly. Look at that. Tell me if I did it good right. Oh, that's better.
So this is my box. It's a flower, a heart.
What happened to the back? Look at hers in the back.
Like,
Mine
okay.
is perfectly all the way
we
through.
should have put this box for the purple one because it's purple and it matches. But oh well. But there's still two more boxes left. There's a honeybee one and
A flower one.
a flower
So I
one.
think I'm gonna make. We should make a honeybee.
We should bake, yeah. Well, I don't know because we need to match it. So we have these. This is where the green one was, and this is where the pink one was. So yeah.
Maybe we can make a.
So these are the molds. We have a leaf one, another leaf one, a butterfly, and a seashell. And
Should make a big flower.
hers has.
Huh?
And yours has.
Oh yeah, mine has like a big flower. Mine has a bee right there, and a firefly. And this one's the one I made.
So yeah, we don't know which one. I think we should do something that matches with the color purple because like
Maybe we should do like a
butterfly.
butterfly.
Mhm.
No,
Or maybe
but
another like one of this one or something. I don't
I
know.
like a butterfly.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the butterfly. So the instructions,
Butterfly
like we
is-
did earlier, where to put the bar of soap
In a container.
in the container. So it's really cute purple.
Yeah, it's really good. Look, it's like see-through. Oh wait, no, it's not see-through, but so just
So yeah, we have to put this in for 30 seconds. No, wait, was it 30 or 20?
should we put the salt in right now?
No. So yeah, it was 30 seconds, I think. 20 seconds. So we will be right back with the melted soap. So this is the melted purple, so we're going to put it in the mold. Ah. Whoa.
I think this is actually gonna turn out good.
Not like last time.
Then I had to grab it and stuff it in.
So this is how it looks like. We can't like, it's like really like still wet, so we have to let it like, you know.
Look at what happened here.
So that's so if you don't keep mixing it, it's gonna get like really hardened. So yeah, now it's starting to harden. It still has like a little bit of bubbles. So since it's like a type of like a seashell one, so it's like a type of like beachy one. So we have to add some salt in it. So just a little bit, just a poquito. I'm not even putting anything. Okay. Here's how it looks like. So it looks like. So we're now going to put it in the freezer, like we said, for 45 minutes. So yeah, we'll come right back with the.
Oh, we haven't started.
So we'll come back with the
finished
product. So yeah.
And then we're gonna choose a box.
Yeah. So we'll be right back.
So we just took it out of the freezer, and look, it turned out pretty good.
It looks really cute.
The back looks pretty good, finally.
Yeah, so it's like really hard, so it's gonna take us a bit of time just to take it out. It's not like the other ones, because the other ones were already hard, so it was easy to take out.
So this one, we chose this box. I know it doesn't seem like very much of a box, but once you fold it, so I'm gonna start folding right now. I'm gonna start folding it right now.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna be taking the soap out. I'm gonna be taking the soap out of the what's it called? The mold. It's really hard because it's like when we put it in the mold, it was like liquid. So, and it was still warm because, yeah.
How to do this. No, so I understand it. I got it. See? No, I don't know.
It's taking out. Oh my god, so it's like a little bit taking out, but you gotta take it out just like step by step and slowly, because if you take it out like that, like,
then it's
like,
gonna break.
It's just gonna like split in half because.
And we don't want it. We want it to look pretty cute. We can show you guys.
Oh yes. So this is the butterfly. I said shampoo. This is the butterfly hand soap. Oh my god. The butterfly hand soap. Start working on the box.
This box is so hard.
2 hours later.
We're gonna put this thing. And yeah, so our finished products are gonna be right there. I'm so proud of myself. I'm just kidding. So, if you guys are wondering why she's taking a bit too long, because like putting a box together is hard. Like,
I don't even know how to make a good little box.
so yeah. So we're going to do the same steps as we did with the other boxes. It's just like this one, but just different design. And just do that.
Okay, I gotta do that. So she's gonna do that. So we're gonna add a touch of salt, to add that, So this is how her turned out, and look how pretty it turned out. Isn't that so good? Look, fashion show. Dun dun dun. Ugly. It still looks cute. I mean, mine looks cuter, but hers still looks cute. I mean, comment down below which one you think is better. This one?
Which one you guys like
Better. Mine or
No.
hers? Look at this one. Mine's in a perfectly shaped box.
just
No, hers.
struggle goals.
Oh, look at that part. That's the part she's struggling on.
Stop. Okay, so we can't put the box together. It's hard, so yeah. So we are going to be showing you guys the finished product. So the purple butterfly. Oh my god. The
out
purple. Yeah, it looks pink though. It looks like kind of pink. This is the purple butterfly.
The details did show a lot. The pinkish purple. So
Mine, but the box isn't. So yeah. And
let me try making the box one more time.
so and then Evelyn's cute flower one, but pick mine.
Me.
So yeah, we are still struggling by making the box. It's really hard.
Hard. What does hard mean?
Fold up the sets and
So yeah. Oh my god, it's taking way too long. The boxes. Oh, no. So we're not gonna fold the top because that's how I ruined it.
I know how to make it.
bottom.
So yeah.
Bottom.
So please comment down below which one you guys like. The flower one she made, the green one, the green seashell, and the pink purplish butterfly with the flower. Like it has a pumpkin in it, so
It is.
yeah, a pumpkin flower heart thing. So. Okay, so no box for this one.
No box.
But please like. So this is the, no
Original.
judgment. Please don't judge it because it's hard.
It's hard. Try doing it yourself. If you do it, just tell us how you guys went with it, because we did horrible.
So yeah, I put the box together. Kinda. I don't know.
If you ruin my box.
So this is the box. Box number 1, 2, and then Evelyn's.
Mine is
So yeah.
That's box
Now, please comment down below which one you guys like, and please hit that subscribe button and like button down below. And remember to,
hit that bell.
yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.